What's up, guys? This video is going to be about searching in Helix. And to do just a regular search in the current file that you are in, you can just press /. So now if I type this here, for example, I can see it automatically selected the first occurrence of this word here. And if I want to go to the second word, I can just type N, and I will go to the next one. And if I press Shift N, I will go to the previous one. So this is how I can jump between these search results here. So with /, you only search from top to bottom. But if you want to search from bottom to top, you can use question mark. And now if I type pub again here, I can use Shift N to go up and N to go back again, just like before. So / searches from top to bottom and question mark searches from bottom to top. And as you can see, when I type / here, it already shows me the last thing I searched for. So now if I just want to search for this again, I can just press enter again. So that's very handy. You can also, if you want to search for a word, just select it in the text and then press asterisk. And now as you can see, I have copied this word here to the search register. And now if I press N, I will just search for that. So if you jump from one search result here to the next, you will only select this one search result. But what if you want to select all of them or more than one? What you can do is press V to enter select mode. And now if you press N, you will select each new occurrence of the search result of the search term that you are jumping to. So now I basically jump to all of them, and now I have all of them selected. And I could change them now or edit them somehow. So yeah, guys, that's how local search works, but there's also global search. And you can use global search with space /, and this allows you to search globally in your project, in your current project folder. So now if I type, let's say pub here, this will show me a list of files that have this word in them. And after the colon there, you can see a number, and that is the line number, wherever that word that I searched for is in that file. So if I jump to this here, this will be where that word showed up. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.